Some weeks later, he repeated the experiment using two groups of chickens. One of these groups had been inoculated at the first demonstration with the old cultures that had proved ineffective, and the second had not been previously exposed. Both groups received bacteria from fresh young cultures. This time, the chickens in the second group got sick and died, but those in the first group remained healthy. This puzzled Pasteur, but he soon found the explanation. In some way, bacteria could lose their ability to produce disease, that is, their virulence, after standing and growing old. But these attenuated bacteria still retained their capacity for